You are listening from Story Collection YouTube channel. Good morning. The headlines. Change in churn in Bengal T.N. Kerala. Trinamool ousted as BJP sweeps Bengal. BJP rocks disrupts T.N.'s bipolar politics. Congress-led UDF makes a comeback in Kerala. NDA secure record third term in Assam. NDA led by AI-NRC retains Puducherry. BJP, Congress and NCP holds on 2 seats in Assembly by poll. AI-NRC-led DNS retains power as Congress alliance falters due to internal feud. Congress-led UDF registers historic victory with near 3/4 majority. Dominance across two regions held BJP's led bloc secure landslide victory. LDF route in Kerala holds elections for the winners. Binary holds but 13 ministers failed to win. BJP secures record 3 seats in Kerala Assembly. IUML anchors UDF's comeback in Malabar in Assam polls. The victory of the Congress and United Democratic Front is matched its intensity and depth by the defeat of the Communist Party of the Indian Marxist-led Left Democratic Front in Kerala. The winners have an immediate lesson to draw from the loser that Kerala is characteristically disapproving of an uber leader who outshines his own party and keeps the spotlight firmly on himself. The Indian Union Muslim League IUMIL plays a decisive role in the United Democratic Front UDF's victory in the Kerala Assembly election. Acting as a key bulwark, the party secured a record 22 seats and strengthened the confidence of its allies, particularly the Congress in Malabar regions through clear leadership and its organizational coordination. The IUML has emerged as the third largest party in Assembly after Congress and the Communist Party of the India's Marxist CPIM and is said to play a crucial role in upcoming UDF government. While State President Said Sadiq Ali Sahib Thangal has ruled out any demand for the Deputy Chief Minister post, there is a quiet sense with the leadership that the party deserves a larger share in governance. The forecast has been fully released with the UDFs winning all 16 seats in the district for the first time. IUML candidates register large winning margin across the constituencies. Kerala has long kept an own council at the ballot box. In the Assembly election 2026, the electorate of this politically alert state delivered what many observers has anticipated a decisive verdict where the United Democratic Front UDF led by the Indian National Congress is returning power with thumping victory, ending the Left Democratic Party LDF unprecedented decade-long term run in office. Before end the news bulletin, the headlines once again. Change in churns in Bengal. Trinamool ousted as the BJP sweeps Bengal. BJ rocks disrupts TN's bipolar politics. Congress-led UDF makes a comeback in Kerala. NDA secures record third term in Assam. NDA led by AI-NRC retains Puducherry. BJP, Congress and NCP holds on 2 seats in bipolar Assembly by polls. That is the end of the morning news. Have a nice day. The news in detail. Riding high on the anti-incumbency wave against the 15 years long Trinamool Congress rule, but the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP swept the West Bengal Assembly election by more than 2/3 majority on Monday and is set to form the government in the state for the first time. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee lost the Vanhanipur seat in the BJP's Subhendra Adhikari by 15,100 votes as the Saffron Tree secured a significant ideological triumph in the state. Data laid on Monday showed that the BJP had won 206 seats in the 294-member assembly, while the Trinamool backed only 80 seats and was leading in another one. The BJP, which registered an all-time high vote percentage of over 45.8%, so its vote share increased by more than 7% from 38% of the 2021 polls. The Trinamool vote share dropped by almost 8% from 48.5% in 2021 to 40.8% in this election. Tamil cinema's top actor is Joseph Vijay, flashing Tamila Vetri Kazhagam TVK on Monday made a stunning election debut, emerging as the single largest party with 107 seats in the 17th Tamil Nadu Assembly election. In doing so, it disrupted a nearly half-century-old bipolar landslide dominated by the Dravida Munitra Kazhagam DMK and All India Anna Dravida Munedra Kazhagam. Taking on a multi-party front led by the two Dravidian measures, the TVK, powered almost entirely by Mr. Vijay Sarishma, fell just 11 seats short of the halfway mark in a 234-member House. While Mr. Vijay won from the both Parambur and Tirchur, each Minister M.K. Stalin, 14 of the cabinet, colleague Speaker M. Apavu and Deputy Speaker Pichandi were defeated, and DMK was reduced to the principal opposition with 59 seats, in which became a three-constant contest. Riding an anti-incumbent wave, the UDF won 102 after counting of the vote on Monday, legislation the LDF to 35 seats and rebounding from its electoral widespread in assembly election to 2016 and 2021. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP bagged 3 seats, Nemom and Kazakutum in Trivandrum and Sathanur in Kollam, fundamentally relegating the state LDF-UDF revolving door politics. The BJP's politician impact seems to far outweigh its electoral impact, with the party becoming a third bloc in assembly and emerging player in provincial politics. The BJP also significantly increased its vote share across the state, emerging as a close in 6 seats. The BJP-led National Democratic Alliance on Monday scripted a record victory in Assam, bagging 102 of the 126 assembly seats to retain power for the third straight term. The BJP won 82 seats, which is 18 more than the majority mark of 64, while its regional allies Assam Gana Parishadan, Bodoland People's Front won to 10 seats each. The Congress, which counted on its alliance with the 5 other parties, managed 19 seats, the least since the BJP ended into 15 years ruling to 2016. Only one of its allies, Rezo Dal, tested victory, securing 2 seats. Wearing 1v1 all seats where Hindus are in opposition to electoral candidates. The Bharatiya Janata Party, the Congress and the National Congress Party NCP on Monday retained their 7 sitting seats in 5 states after counting votes for Assam by poll, while the BJP won 4 seats in the Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tripura and Nagaland. The Congress won 2, Karnataka and NCP emerged victories in Maharashtra. The National Democratic Alliance NDA, led by All India NR Congress AINRC, headed by Chief Minister N. Rangasamy, is said to retain power in Puducherry, winning 18 out of its total 30 seats in the assembly. Mr. Rangasamy AINRC leads the tally with 12 seats, improving its number by 2 seats, while the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP won 4 seats. Its member came down by 2 from the previous assembly. 1 seat each were won by All India under Dravida Mundir Kazhagam and the Lassia Janayaga Guts, the latter headed by businessman Jose Charles Martin, son of the lottery baron Santalio Margin. The Dravidian Mundra Kazhagam, which contested as junior parties of the Congress India National Development Inclusive Alliance bloc, won 5 seats, while the Congress tally coming down to 1 from the 2 seats it won in 2021 as assembly election.